Yes.
You love me.
Yes.
You love me.
Yes.
Girl, you got that money maker, come here, let me taste it. Girl, you look so good, I swear I love it when you naked. Lay your body down, I'll eat it right and I won't waste it. I'ma take my time, I'ma take my time. Girl, you got that money maker, come here, let me taste it. Girl, you look so good, I swear I love it when you naked. Lay your body down, I'll eat it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ash, aka Two Face,
It's your girl Aunt Sarah, aka The Goddess.
and we're back with another.
Lit ass video.
Guess what, y'all?
We got a mukbang.
Bang, bang. Seafood mukbang.
Boil.
Boy, you be loved.
Can y'all see all of this light? And I don't know if y'all can catch it. Got lobster tail in there. I got my crawfish. I got some shrimps. I
You
got
showed you?
oh. And y'all can see. Y'all can see that. Ooh, that look good.
Mine's
Potatoes.
different. I got some.
Oysters.
I got some boy.
Fried oysters in the air fryer. Isn't it good? We got our seafood sauce.
Ooh.
Yes, Lord.
Mine's maybe a little plain, y'all. Mine's plain. I don't care. I don't need care. I don't need care.
Got a little crawfish in there and stuff.
I don't like all
Look at her,
that.
y'all. Oh my God.
I don't like all. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Who's hungry? God is great and God is good, and we thank God for our food, by our hands, for all the food. It's good and very good. Amen. Hey y'all, it's been good though. The reason why we doing the mukbang because of the simple fact that we've been watching them like crazy.
We got pure leaf, and some waters, ice. And I got cocoa here, but I don't want to show y'all because it's almost gone. So, none of y'all
Hey
do.
y'all, hold on. Don't mind me.
But what's up, y'all? The kitchen light on?
Yeah.
Y'all, this is so bomb. I made this too. I made this. This is bomb.
Tell me what you made. What's in this?
Okay, y'all, so ooh, that was spicy. So it's colossal shrimp in here. It's corn on the cob. We got our boiled eggs. We got crawfish here. We got beef sausage. We have crab legs. We have lobster. We have scallops, and we have baby potatoes. She got fried oysters, corn, potatoes, and scallops.
Cause I don't really do.
She don't like seafood like that.
But we've been watching so many different mukbangers, and we think we like it, so we want to try it. We want to try the whole mukbang thing. And she love to eat.
Yes.
We eat all types of stuff, so we can do the mukbang.
I made steak and cheese last night. We was gonna do it last night, but then we got tired, so we was like, nah, we'll do it the next day.
Y'all, we waiting on. I've never in the history of the presidency. We were
You think they
waiting.
can hear us with the air room?
We've been waiting for the results of who's going to be the president. Like what? We supposed to find out the night of it or the next day. They're saying a week.
Oh no! Not
Oh,
with
no.
that.
It's going good. It's good.
Ooh! Make you hit somebody.
She ain't even crack her eggs.
I'm gonna crack them right here, just like I'm taking my shells off everything else.
It's good. I think she secretly wants to be a mood banger.
I do.
She secretly wants to be.
I need to crack my egg because this is ghetto. Please mind y'all business.
You know, I want to do reactions.
And I'm all for it because I think that's tight.
Reacting to different videos, reacting to music.
And just like that,
Me cracking that egg.
lumps and bumps.
Yo, she pressed one of her favorite mukbangers just dropped a mukbang. If y'all ain't seen her, it's Dante. What's her name?
Dan Timmy.
And she a Nigerian mukbanger.
Some people never ever you in the Instagram in the video.
Follow you on Instagram. Just what? What? This corn is good.
Give me one of these.
Yeah.
Hey! You say no sauce.
Sauce, bro. Look, I said no sauce. Some people.
This is bomb. I had to get me some tomorrow. On my own.
She still gonna share. I don't eat no more. I saw that.
Alright, I'm joking. I made you some. You want me to crack these things or nah?
Yeah.
No, she can't crack her own crawfish. That's sad.
It's like, even my family know I'm lazy when it comes to that. I don't even like cracking crabs. You do all that for a little piece of meat. Really?
That meat is good.
Really?
Yes.
This corn is so good. And I ain't even dipping in the sauce. Hey y'all, I like these baby potatoes. The baby potatoes, if you don't got the baby potatoes, then you ain't it. You ain't popping. Look at hers. She got everything. She ain't gonna finish all this.
No. Where is scallop? In there somewhere.
Ew. I hate scallops.
Scallop.
I hate that.
What y'all know about scallops? Dip it in that sauce. Dip it in that sauce. You need help?
I'm trying. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I did it. It's like what?
It's still guts inside it. I eat. And I eat the claws.
I'm gonna eat this other corn too. I'm gonna go for the corn again. I'm gonna go for the corn. Y'all know them people that can eat them corns like what? Then y'all mama teach y'all some home training. You don't eat no corn like that. You don't eat the corn. Anyway, we got a lot of crafting to do. We're gonna show y'all a vlog when we finish. I'm working on this new painting. I gotta come up with some ideas, but I'm thinking about literally doing the sip and paint too. If y'all sip and paint with me,
Ooh.
get her to paint.
Lobster.
Ooh,
Haha.
corn.
Ooh. This bitten corn.
So, ooh, take a bite out of life. Ooh. I love these little potatoes, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
They call them honey. What they golden potatoes?
Look at that potato. She made my stuff separately. Sometimes I feel like an outsider, you guys. I have to get stuff prepared separately. It's like, there's so many videos I want to react to.
Ooh.
I get full super quick.
You full?
I'm like almost full. Almost, because I demolished two, about to be too full. What is this? Oh my god.
Yeah, I like all that. I suck the juice out of all that. That's my favorite part of the crawfish. Is this. That's like the mustard and
I didn't
stuff.
post to see. I didn't post.
Ooh.
I didn't post to eat. I didn't post to see that living like that. Oh, get it. Oh no. Huh?
Don't run from me.
We should have
Don't run from me.
a crawfish contest.
Ooh. You trying to? Because I can get another bag. They on sale.
I win.
Sweetie.
Like, nah, she'll win. Nah, let's just set myself up for failure.
You could always do it. That's fun.
I know. I feel it.
Just to see.
Mm-hmm.
Because you might prove me wrong.
Hey, y'all. If y'all haven't followed me on TikTok yet, go follow me on TikTok. Tuesdays with 2 A's, 31. I be literally, I'm building my followers, so watch me.
Oh, look at that colossal. Ooh.
Thumbnail. We ain't get no thumbnail.
Nope. You want to hold something?
Get one for yours. Bring it closer.
Yeah.
Another one bites the dust. Yo, we gonna make it big on here. Best believe it.
Oh my goodness.
She gotta take a shower. See, I'm not as
Yeah, I
messy as
can't.
her.
I can't. I have to shower after I eat the seafood.
I'm not as messy as her at all. I wish we could leave these seafood a little bit. What am I doing? This the pot, right?
Mm-hmm.
So all this go to waste.
Nope.
Nope. Hey y'all, the only reason why I'm eating these right now because they don't
Look
got
at
that spice on it. They don't got that spicy stuff on it. And she probably, if it had that spicy stuff on it, she probably wouldn't have never let me eat this.
I wouldn't have. Put them in this bowl.
What a meat at? Man, this a baby one.
Ha ha.
He playing with us. That's a little baby. Hey y'all, when I was a kid, my grandmother or even my sister had to crack my seafood for me. Oh no. Because I was so lazy with it now. Something was just salty to me. Hey, too much seasoning. I don't like a lot of seasoning. Y'all probably like, why is you eating this?
For
Why is you
real.
eating this seafood bowl? She, the one that got nerve to say for real, I'm doing it for her. You see how she just turned on me, y'all? Go back to this. Oh, no. She asked me how many corns I wanted. I'm gonna use the residue.
I only got one scallop about the whole bunch. Damn, that's crazy. You ain't on scallops.
Scallop like this.
Yeah.
Like this. There go a scallop.
Damn. I ain't see that.
I got more corn.
Look how I see corn.
Oh, I thought this the wrong corn. That's why. Hey y'all, I will stuff like that. I'm eating corn. We gotta find a new show to watch, man. There's nothing to watch that we think that we should watch. Brand new shirt, yeah.
I don't think I got it on my shirt though. I can miss my shirt. Hopefully.
This corn. This corn. This corn. If y'all watch mukbangs, tell us who y'all watch. Tell us what y'all like to see people eat. Cause me personally, who I like to see people, what I like to see people eat. Noodles, man. If you watching noodles, I watch people eat big bowls of noodles. Excuse me, y'all. I eat a crab leg. That's what I do.
Let me get a crab leg.
Let me step back.
I'm not gonna splash you.
Man, I got some more potatoes over there. Hey, what is y'all cooking for Thanksgiving? Are y'all still gonna stay with y'all families? Or y'all gonna not listen to people and still have big old Thanksgiving dinners? I'm staying home. I'm not listening to nobody. I'm eating my own dinner. Tell the truth. Who out there agree with me that you should eat your own dinner so you wouldn't be worried if this person sick preparing you this food? Nah. Eat my own dinner. I'll make us some greens. Her mama gonna make some greens. I'm gonna make my own greens. But I don't eat that pork. I don't eat that swine, y'all. Whew.
Food, sweetie.
I don't know how y'all do it. These mukbangers do it. She doing it like it ain't nothing. Yo, I'm working on this bad. I mean, this bad painting. This bad pic, man. It's gonna cut the scene.
It's called Phyllis Hyman.
She just be naming my.
I can't wait till she finishes.
She names all my paintings. Ain't that dope, y'all? Have somebody in y'all life that support y'all. When the first time she knew that I knew how to draw, that I was an artist, and she saw my work, that was a wrap. She would ask me, draw me. Can you draw me? If you're an artist out there, don't y'all just hate when people be like, draw me.
I say that all the time.
But I don't mind doing it. I draw it.
Ooh. Sorry, y'all.
It's about like, I got about like, I don't know how many paintings or how many drawings I got.
This you want some?
What? Summer what? Hey y'all, Summer Walker
Some of
having,
this crab.
Summer Walker having a baby. How y'all feel about that? I don't think Summer Walker should have no kids. She ain't mentally stable.
Keep breaking up with London on the track. Getting back with him.
On this. She ain't getting this. She thinks she getting this. She ain't getting this. She ain't getting what I got going on.
Look at all that mustard.
Oh, I know how to open it now. Oh, that's good. Okay. I don't want no more oysters. They good. And she got sausages, y'all.
I'm not eating a lot of them.
I only had one of them because when I eat them sausages out of, I normally sneak and eat them out of a bowl, but it's actually making my stomach, making me sick. I'll be right back. I think I got like 3 more potatoes in there. Oh, just 2. Just 2. You can have some. Hey y'all, she ain't been saying much because she's so busy eating and stuff.
I'm sorry, y'all. Man, this food is bomb.
We was supposed to have originally, she said steak and cheese, but
Yeah, I had that for lunch and dinner last night.
we were supposed to have it. What? They're gonna say answer on your phone. It say answer. Two-Face just posted a video. Two-Face is sitting right here. I didn't post no video.
Oh, what? Oh, on TikTok?
Yeah.
Why do they do that?
I don't know.
Why do they do that? Because we've been posted videos. Are they just trying to tell me that? Go check you out?
Go check me out. Go check me out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And share
And share.
if you care.
Oh,
Because it's free.
it's free.
Alright, one more leg. Because I really don't care for this big claw. I know this got all the meat in it, y'all, but I really hate that claw because it's so hard to get the meat out.
And what you want to do? You want to get me out?
I'm leaving them claws for them in the morning. Tomorrow they can eat that. Morning, right? I'm not eating all this. I'm done. Because I ain't making myself sick. Y'all, because I be getting sick if I overeat. I can't do it.
We both.
Both of us. I do want to try the spicy noodle challenge. I will do that.
But me personally, I can't do it. I would eat like
Regular noodles. She can't do that.
I I can't eat spicy stuff like that, y'all. Hence the spicy bowl. Can't eat that stuff. These crawfish not spicy though. But I used to can eat it.
Oh!
Whoa. It wouldn't be a video if she didn't do it, y'all.
Sorry.
Right? If you watch all of our videos, if you literally every single one. If you watch all of our videos. All the way through. And if you do that, you're loyal. If you have sat there and you watched all of our videos all the way through and like it, you're
Loyal. Oh, let's see. Let me see.
She really want to be a mukbanger, y'all. So we're going to keep doing it because she like it. But don't forget to check out my videos because I'm going to be doing sipping paint. She going to be sipping and painting. Let's see how this be, y'all. Her sipping and painting.
I don't do wine.
The video might not last long. I'm not talking about this video. I'm talking about the sipping paint.
Oh. Alright, one more crawfish and I'm done. Which one? I need a fat one though. I need a fat one.
Hey, baby, don't do when I got these hats on, I look like when I was chunky. Real chunky.
No.
Oh my God, you guys see them pictures of me. That's conceited. Look right there. Look at the camera. Look at this camera. Smile.
Oh my goodness.
What they say instead of doing TikTok?
Rub your face, rub your hands together.
Okay, say rub your hand.
Look in the camera real deep. Lick your lips right. Move side to side or if you in a boxing match. It's crazy why y'all like that.
You see it though?
No.
Check it out. You say rub your hand. Rub your hand. Now move side to side.
Sorry, y'all. Alright. Right into the video. Ooh, hey, this a big one. Ooh. Bye-bye. You know I think they got a crawfish emoji. It's a lobster one and then it's a crawfish one.
I wish I had another corn, y'all.
I can't. I had 2 corns here, but she can't eat this.
I don't eat the one with the seasoning. She good. The corn was still good, still juicy. It was still so good. And I didn't really get much of them little corn things in my teeth from this. Just corn. Some corn I be getting.
Yeah, you be in here complaining.
I ain't get none of there. I ain't even want none of that. Food make me sleepy, y'all. Goodness. I just want to kick my feet up.
Kick up your shoes, relax your feet.
Watch some YouTube or whatever we gonna watch.
Dance with me.
And relax like grown folks.
After I take a shower.
And relax like grown folks, minding grown folks' business. You did.
My nose itching. I can't.
She still AR after she said she wasn't going to eat no more.
Oh, yeah, I did say that, didn't I?
Still eating, though.
My food be so good.
It was mainly me talking to y'all, so she did an ASMR.
Well.
It was nice talking to y'all, though.
Yeah.
It was really nice. Everything was really good.
Prepared
well.
Thank you.
Hold on, I prepared all this.
Hey, ma'am, can you Pour me one more cup of this, please. These cups are so small. I need a big glass.
Let me get like one of these ice cubes.
Nah. What the?
That's enough?
Yeah.
What's the problem? Man, I needed that ice cube, man. She know I like ice. And we'll take the last little bit of ice. Ain't who the petty one? Me or her? That means it was good. This your girl. Look, y'all. I'm in
This is TikTok.
Oh, look. I was about to close out the video. Look. What? This your girl Two Face, aka I gotta speak up. This your girl Two Face, aka Ash. That's your girl and Sarah.
Oh damn, I had the itis. Woo! It's your girl Aunt Sarah, aka the Goddess.
And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that bell.
Smash that like button, and remember to press
That all button, so you can make sure you can see when we post and stuff.
another Nick Ash
Video.
And we're out. Bye.
Girl, you got that money maker, come here, let me taste it. Girl, you look so good.